Alright, we got our next load assignment. And we are leaving the Loves in Upper Sandusky, Ohio, right off of US 30. And we are basically back-roading it up to, what is this, Milan, Ohio, up next to the lake. Now, the instructions stated that they will not load a step deck trailer, even though they know I have a step deck. So I called the office to get a confirmation what they want me to do. Basically, dispatch said, go ahead and try it anyway, even though the customer basically told them they will not load step decks, that a 48-foot trailer is preferred. It's hard to maneuver with a 53-foot deck, which is what I have. So, 2 strikes against me for going to this customer. But we're going to go because that's our instructions. Now, if we get there and get turned away, then I'll have to go to our terminal in Massery, Ohio, which is over near Pennsylvania. So at least an hour and a half, maybe 2-hour trip over there, minimum. And then another hour and a half back with a flatbed, which is going to be a 53-foot flatbed because we don't have 48-footers anymore as far as I'm aware. Because I was told that we're moving away from 48-footers during my orientation. So right now we are kind of on a fool's errand at the moment. All right, we got here to Milan to our pickup, and just as was stated in the instructions provided by dispatch, they will not load a step deck. So hour and a half trip up here now requires me to drive 2 hours over to the terminal, switch out these trailers for a flatbed, and then another 2 hours back. Then I can load and hopefully get to a place where I can get a parking spot, because that's going to be almost 5 o'clock by the time I get loaded. And it's still on I-80 eastbound, just past Akron. Still got another 50 miles to go to Massery, and we are in our 5th work zone, where they slow everybody down to 50 miles an hour. And I've seen a total of 24 workers in 100 miles. Or 80 miles, sorry. 24 people. And yet they have these highways, these lanes shut down for 7, 8, 10 miles at a time, slowing everybody down to 50 for no reason whatsoever. Alright, here we are at our pickup here in Milan, Ohio. We're getting some roofing, rolled roofing product, like a waterproof barrier type stuff. Take this down to Atlanta to be delivered on Wednesday. So it's 5:15 right now. They're only about a quarter of the way done loading. So once we get done, then we'll head down the road. Okie dokie. So we finally got loaded. Just left my my shipper here at 6:15 at night. Making our way south on, what is this, US 250 to this little town of Norwalk.